Companion vegetable planting, also known as companion planting, is a gardening practice that involves planting different types of vegetables, herbs, or flowers in close proximity to one another with the goal of promoting healthier and more productive gardens. The idea behind companion planting is to take advantage of the interactions between different plants to improve overall crop yield, deter pests, and enhance soil quality. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, and insects aid in the fertilization of plants, ensuring successful reproduction of fruit or vegetable production. This in turn leads to the development of fruits and seeds in many vegetable plants. Tomatoes, cucumbers, squash, and many others rely on pollinators to produce their edible parts. 2. Pest control. Many herbs have strong scents that repel pests. For example, planting basil near tomatoes can deter pests like aphids and mosquitoes. Similarly, planting rosemary near beans or carrots can help keep bean beetles and carrot flies at bay. 3. Attract beneficial insects. Certain plants can attract beneficial insects like ladybugs, praying mantis, pollinators, and predatory insects that help control pest populations in your garden. Sunflowers or dill can attract pollinators, and planting dill, fennel, or yarrow can attract beneficial predatory insects. 4. Enhancing the appearance of the garden. Flowers play an important role in adding color and beauty to the garden. They serve an important part in attracting pollinators. 5. Soil improvement. Plants with deep taproots can help break up compacted soil and improve drainage. Legumes like peas and beans can fix nitrogen in the soil, benefiting neighboring vegetables that require nitrogen. 6. Reduced competition. Some plants can be compatible companions because they have different root structures and nutrient requirements, reducing competition for resources like water and nutrients. 7. Flavor enhancement. Some gardeners believe that certain combinations of companion plants can improve the flavor of vegetables. For example, planting basil near tomatoes is thought to enhance the flavor of both. Space utilization. Planting compatible crops together can help maximize space in your garden and create a more efficient use of resources. For example, you can plant low-growing vegetables near taller ones to make the most of your garden space. Conclusion. Companion planting is a widely practiced gardening technique. The effectiveness of specific plant pairings and their impact on pest control and crop yield can vary depending on factors such as local climate, soil conditions, and individual garden circumstances. Experimentation and observation in your own garden can help you determine which companion planting strategies work best for your specific situation. Thanks for visiting and happy gardening.